On the 17th of December 2025, the Southern Downs Steam Railway fired up C17 Class Locomotive 971 for a test run to Hendon. She had previously ventured out on the 12th of December, where hot bearings developed on the connecting rods. This issue has since been rectified, with a donor rod from 935 being fitted on the rear fireman side. 971 has received some modifications since last operating the main line. This included moving the battery box from the toolbox onto the footplate and the fitting of an electric deck hose behind the Westinghouse distributor. Most notably, 971 is now black. The paint was originally purchased for 802. With the current pace of overhaul, the paint would have long expired. With easy access to 971 on stands, she was haphazardly repainted.
made it back to Roundhouse in one piece, and the maintenance crew have deemed it fit to travel on the main line. The next train she'll be hauling will be the Children's Special between Wheatvale and Hendon on the 24th of January 2026. In all honesty, I was thinking of scrapping this footage, as the audio of it was absolutely abysmal. But I thought I'd show you my journey with the Panasonic HCX-2, a truly phenomenal camera. But I made the mistake of buying the wrong microphone for it. It only had TRS inputs, and the HCX-2 only has XLR inputs, which made it pretty incompatible. So the footage that you watched previously was shot on the inbuilt microphone on top of it. But now, I've invested in the Rode NTG1 shotgun mic, so the audio should be much better coming forward. I'd like to thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Railed It.